So you got approved for the Capital One credit card and you're trying to figure out how to increase your limit. Um, if you guys get the secure credit card, then they said in as little as 6 months, they're going to work to increase your limit and then also graduate the credit card. It's a secure credit card. Now, if you guys want to try to get a credit limit increase before then, I do suggest that you guys put a lot of money in purchases like on a card, start using the card a lot and then paying it off, using the card a lot, paying it off, using the card a lot, paying it off, because they're going to start seeing that you need more money and then you're not holding a balance on this credit card. So they're going to assume that you're going to pay back anything that you use. So that's one way that you guys can definitely get an increase. Make sure that on your other credit cards, you're not keeping a balance, you're paying on time. And with Capital One, you can go right in the app and ask for an increase. If I were you, I would ask for an increase every month. Like keep asking for an increase, and call them too and say, hey, I'm looking to get an increase. When am I going to get that increase? And then they'll let you